about this already. You're not even wearing the right outfit.
Fine. I'll change.
Much better.
That's better. The fog is still ongoing, and we are in the thick of Halloween Horror Nights, and here we are already talking about the holidays at Universal.
The holidays at Universal start November 21st, and this year's season is going to be bigger, brighter, and more chaotic than the current Halloween decorations you see strewn about with that 40-foot skeleton in your neighbor's yard.
It almost hurts to make this video already because it's like we wait all year for Halloween Horror Nights, but we want you to be ready because the holidays are going to be here before you know it, and we want you to be ready.
I can see it in the comments now, people saying, it's too soon! Yeah. But we want you to know everything ahead of time so you can have the best holiday season at Universal possible.
The holidays at Universal Orlando this year run from November 21st all the way until January 4th of the new year 2026.
This means parades. This means Grinch sass. Grinch what?
Grinch sass.
Means hot butterbeer, Hogwarts Castle Light Show, and so much more festive cheer.
So whether you're team merry or bright or team naughty or nice, this is everything that you're going to need to know if you're planning a holiday adventure at Universal Orlando. Let's talk the big three. There is a big three for the holidays at Universal, and I'm gonna let you lead this one off because it's your favorite. This is right up your alley.
To start out with, the Wizarding World of Harry Potter gets a spectacular Christmas overlay during the holiday season. Over in Hogsmeade, yes, they've had snow all year long, which is peculiar in Florida, but it feels so much more festive, right? Yeah. It really is magic. There's also some special theming to the shows that you can experience in Hogsmeade and Diagon Alley. You have the Frog Choir that sings some special Christmas tunes, and Celestina Warbeck and the Banshees sing one of my favorite songs,
My baby got me a hippogriff or something along the hippogriff for Christmas.
You're very close.
There we go.
Very
close enough.
It's one of my favorites, and it's just so fun, especially with their extra themed costumes. And you can't miss it. You don't get to see it any other time than during the holidays at Universal. One other piece that you have to remember too, when it comes to the Wizarding World, is there is the Castle Light Show, which is spectacular around Christmas time. I cannot express how much I love seeing the castle covered in snow, especially when you get to be sipping a hot butterbeer. It's so good.
Come here. Tell me something better than walking in to the Wizarding World on a crisp Florida morning.
Like 60 degrees.
60 degrees. And sipping on a hot butterbeer while looking at some Wizarding World decor. Tell me something better.
I don't know if you can beat that. It's also the perfect time to wear your Wizarding World robes, say that 3 times fast, with the full scarf and the hat and everything. I know I've seen people wear it throughout other times of the year, but you're not sweating in it. So that is a huge win.
Get to look super cute in your Wizarding World robes. I get to talk about the Universal Holiday Parade featuring Macy's. If you know me, you know I love a good performance. And so it is a prime opportunity to, if you can't make it to New York, enjoy the Macy's parade with giant balloons, great performers, great music, and it is a wonderful way to ring in the holiday cheer.
Not to mention, you get to watch Santa light up a ginormous Christmas tree in New York, and it is like the most heartwarming, and does it bring you tears? It makes my eyes water a little bit. It's just super, super special.
Now we do have some pro tips in order to navigate the parade most effectively, so stick around for that. You're not gonna wanna miss those, but expect that the holiday parade will be happening nightly during the holiday season.
And finally, what everyone's here for, we also have Grinchmas taking place during the holiday season at Universal. Is Grinchmas your favorite?
Nothing screams holidays like waiting 5 hours to meet the Grinch.
Yeah, that's true. But Seuss Landing, again, gets a whole overlay for the Christmas cheer. You have Who's.
Yep.
The Who's are singing carols.
Yep.
You have Grinch.
Yep. You got
the
Max.
mean one.
You got Max.
You got Maxie Boy. And you get the Hula Day Spectacular, which is such an excellent show. We go to it a couple times throughout the season, don't we?
Grinchmas and Seuss Landing just transform into the holiday season, and like just going through Whoville at night, seeing all the Christmas decor. It's hard to explain. It's hard to explain the feelings that you get like just walking through Whoville, because it puts you in the Christmas spirit.
And you love that.
I do.
Well,
I
I think part of it's just the lights.
The lights, yes.
The lights, the decor. Also, pro tip, when the sun goes down, enjoying Seuss Landing from high in the sky, Seuss trolley train ride, and
Stole my
taking
idea,
in
yeah.
the lights and the decor and just the festivities. It's so darn fun. Do you think that I should rap with the Who's again this season?
There we go.
La, la, la.
Welcome, welcome, Fahuramus. Welcome, welcome, Fahuramus. Christmas Day is in our grasp, so long as we have hands to clasp. Fahu forays, dahu dores, welcome Christmas, bring your cheer. Cheer! Fahu forays, dahu dores, welcome all who's far and near. Absolutely, you got it!
Now, Universal doesn't stop with just the big three. There are tons of other ways to get your cheer on and really immerse yourself in the holiday season and get on Santa's nice list.
If you want to be full on festive, you're gonna want to enjoy some of the holiday food and drinks that they bring to the parks.
Whether that is a holiday themed whoopie pie, whether that is a hot chocolate bomb.
Pause. There's one item and one item only you have to get for the holiday season when you go specifically for Grinchmas.
Jacket potato.
No,
No.
we'll be getting one this year.
Okay.
Grinch cookies.
I'll do you even one better. The Grinch ice cream sandwich from Hop on Pop.
The Grinch cookies and also the Grinch ice cream sandwich are one of our favorite items that we enjoy every year, and we'll probably be buying at least a dozen cookies, if
Easy.
not more.
In the first week.
Well, I was gonna say in a day, but regardless, there's tons of different themed treats. They haven't announced any of them yet, but stay tuned because as we find out more about the themed treats and as they drop and become available, we'll be getting them and we'll be letting you know what we think of each item.
And of course, the holidays are not complete without picking up some holiday themed merch. This is from a couple years ago, but there are ornaments, scarves, t-shirts, just memorabilia strewn throughout Universal Orlando, and honestly, they're already starting to come to the parks. There's already holiday merch in the Wizarding World, as well as Epic Universe.
Yeah, if you want to bring home Christmas from Hogwarts, Christmas from Whoville, Christmas from around the parks, and just like have a special ornament on your tree like we do each year, Universal makes sure that they provide options, and they are awesome. I think we can't help but leave with something every single season.
Now, it will be very curious to see if the holidays do come to Epic Universe. They've already got merch, and so like, I'm excited to see if anything does happen to get a bit of a holiday overlay over at Epic.
It has been a question we've been asked a number of times throughout this year if they will do anything at Epic for Christmas. And speaking of merch, there is one place and one place only you really need to attend when they drop all their special holiday items, and that is the Holiday Tribute Store. Now this season, we expect that the Holiday Tribute Store will be located in Hollywood. They haven't announced it yet, but with HHN going on, with the Rip Ride Rocket teardown, and also with the closure of the annual pass store that they had available, we suspect they're working on building it right now.
It is a attraction in and of itself. It'll be awesome to see how it's themed. Highly recommend going to, if you're just even walking through it, it is just as good as seeing the tree in New York or walking through Whoville. Like, it's wonderful to see the immersiveness and how the Universal creative team really blends a story into the Holiday Tribute Store.
Not to mention just the fun little Easter eggs that they strew about. To be able to find those and spend some time in there to actually see them, it does take a couple visits, at least for me.
Oh, easy. There's tons of little Easter eggs and details that you will miss just breezing through on your first go round. And of course, in the Tribute Store, there's also gonna be snacks.
Ben loves Earl the Squirrel's candied pecans.
I really
every
do.
season.
Every season, like, I love me some warm roasted nuts.
If you don't leave with at least one ornament and 3 sugar crashes by the end of the day, did you even do Universal holidays right?
Nope. And just to mention, like, it's not just the parks that get the holiday overlays. If you're staying on site at one of the Universal Orlando hotels, there's gonna be theming. There's gonna be trees. There's gonna be lights throughout your stay. Like, it's like Christmas threw up all over the place.
I like that, and we don't currently have a holiday visit booked.
That is true. At one of the hotels.
Can we? Can we?
Which one though? Because like Cabana Bay, you've got the giant lobby, you've got the overlays. Portofino Bay, you have the giant tree that's in the Bay Area.
I know.
Royal Pacific, you've got some theming there and a great tree in the entryway.
But what theming will they do at the new Epic hotels?
I
Helios?
guess
What are you
we're
going to
going
do?
Helios for Christmas. That's your Christmas gift this year, is a one night stay at Helios.
Not gonna lie, that's a big Christmas
That's a
gift.
big Christmas gift.
In addition to the hotels, there are also 2 big add-ons that you need to be aware of for this holiday season if you want to just take Christmas and bump it up a notch and get the full experience at Universal.
Now they're on the Universal Orlando website. We've gotten an email about them.
And I literally check the app every day to see when these tickets are gonna drop.
And so they're ready. They're ready to hit the go live button, if you will. And so you need to be ready. Be ready to swipe that credit card and secure your spot because these will fill up fast.
The first add-on item that you need to be aware about is the Universal Holiday Tour. Now, if you've done a VIP tour or an RIP tour, this is basically that for Christmas at Universal.
You get to meet the Grinch. You get to meet Max. You get to meet Santa. You get prime seating at the Holiday Spectacular. You get your own private viewing of the Hogwarts Light Show. What am I missing?
And you get premium seating for the parade as well.
Oh, that's right. So that is an awesome way to get some very personal interactions with those major characters and not wait 5 hours to meet the Grinch.
I mean, to get to see Max, it's worth the price
Honestly.
itself. He is just the cutest little pup.
He's such a good boy.
He's such a good boy.
Now we don't have 2025 pricings, but we want you to be ready, so we're gonna offer you at least a ballpark number. Last year, the holiday tour started at $79.99 per person. We do expect that there will be a price increase this year based off how popular it was last year.
And also be aware that weekends and as you get closer to Christmas itself, those prices do tend to go up. So if you're really looking to save a little bit but want this add-on, booking it earlier in the holiday season will give you a little bit more bang for your buck.
And the second add-on that we have thoroughly enjoyed every single year that we've been going to Universal is the Grinch and Friends character breakfast.
Is this my favorite thing?
I honestly, I think the interactions with the Grinch, like the meet and greets with the Grinch, is probably our favorite meet and greet of the whole season.
It's true. And the thing about the Grinch breakfast that's fantastic, one, themed food.
Yum.
Love myself a good themed food. It's the time you can go, you're gonna enjoy green eggs and ham
Gonna
most
love it.
likely.
Yep.
But if I get to drink a green drink that reminds me of the Grinch with red sprinkles on top, that's a great way to start my day. 2, it's in Circus McGurkus typically, which is such a fun area itself.
Yep.
3, you have who's running around and talking to you and interacting and being absolute goofballs. But 4, you get to meet the Grinch. And you're not gonna wait 5 hours to meet him. During the typical park day, they do offer Grinch meet and greets
For
with us for free in a standby line. Those lines get long. Like we've seen it 5 hours, 6 hours before, and I love the Grinch, but I don't know if I love him 6 hours worth of waiting. If you do the Grinch breakfast, you get a ticket that they give to you and you get to go stand in line, and it's a much shorter wait. We're talking, I don't know, 30 minutes or so at most.
Yeah, last year, lines still from the breakfast did get long, and I expect that Universal will clean up operations in that regard because there was some blowback last year about how long people were still waiting during the breakfast.
We've had great experiences doing the Grinch breakfast. We enjoy it so much, and the little maxi to-go bag
Yeah,
of
cookies, yeah.
is one of the best things of that experience, on top of having some quality time with the mean one.
And don't forget, as we creep closer to 2026, just throwing that out there, Universal does have a New Year's celebration, so if you want to enjoy some fireworks, some character interactions, probably a DJ, you can celebrate and ring in the New Year's at Universal as well.
I'm excited for that, but I don't want to think about New Year's yet. It's still October.
It's still Halloween Horror Nights, darn it.
We can't be talking about this now.
Let's talk some of the finer points of the holiday season: crowds, strategy, weather, pro tips.
It's a really good point because as we get closer to the holiday season, we're talking more people are taking vacations.
Yep.
And also, we've moved out of hurricane season, but the weather can still be a bit feisty depending on the day, depending on, well, what you think is hot or cold, depending on where you're from.
First, let's talk crowd levels. The crowd levels are going to be quite varied during the holiday season. the biggest thing I would recommend is look to see when schools are going to be out of session. We're talking Thanksgiving break, we're talking Christmas break, New Year's. That is when Universal will be its busiest.
Oh boy, and is it busy.
It's scary sometimes.
We definitely recommend going to the Orlando Informer crowd calendar online and checking there. If you've never used it before, it's super helpful so you can get an idea where, like, how packed is it gonna be? Do you need to buy Express Pass? Will that help you when it comes to getting on rides a little bit quicker? Or, you know, are you booking it earlier before those crowds really ramp up? So it could be a breeze when you come to the parks.
If you are coming during one of those busy times, or as we are a broken record at this point, get there early.
Yes.
Crowds peak between 11 and 3 p.m. And so if you're trying to enjoy the Wizarding World, trying to enjoy the tribute store, trying to enjoy some of these holiday offerings, one we didn't mention was like the Diamond Bellas get their own makeover, the Blue Brothers
true.
get their own holiday
That's
makeover.
true.
Enjoy those experiences as well. Get there early. Like enjoy that crisp, cool Central Florida morning. Grab yourself a hot butter beer and enjoy the holiday offerings.
Alternatively, if you want to avoid the crowds or the waits that come from the crowds, but you still want that holiday cheer, there also are a few Orlando Informer meetups happening during the holiday season that you can check out. Book a Friday or Saturday, go walk on to rides and not wait in the masses of people that are there for the holiday season.
We will be at the November 21st
Yep.
Orlando Informer meetup, as well as the December 6th, that weekend as well. It's a great way to meet the Grinch, enjoy the parks at night. I think our favorite Orlando Informer meetups are the winter meetups.
Yeah, I don't want to say that any of them are better than the others, but
They're our favorite.
the winter meetups are the best.
And we will have a full video, a full breakdown coming soon about how to navigate those Orlando Informer meetups the best. So be sure to subscribe because we want you to have the best Orlando Informer meetup that you possibly can.
Like we said, Universal has stuff on their website now. They're putting emails out about the holidays. It is on its way. It will be here before you know it. And I know you guys love HHN, so do we. But if you're looking to come during the holiday season, it is pivotal to plan early. And if you want to do those specialty events, book those tickets because last year they did sell out. The Grinch breakfast sold out like that. And so if you want to meet the mean one and you want to enjoy some green eggs and ham with some who's over your shoulder, you're gonna have to buy those tickets very early.
If you have any questions about the holidays at Universal, throw them in the comments, send us an email, shoot us a message on Instagram, or join our Patreon. We spend a lot of extra time on Patreon giving the most up-to-date, the most help that we possibly can over there.
And when we have ticket pricing, we'll be sure to pin it in the comments below for this video so you can check it out, or go on the mobile app and get them yourself.
It's still HHN season. We'll see you in the fog.
Bye.
What a treat.
Always.
Always.
It's fuzzy like you.
All right. We really tried to find a comparison there at the last minute, but you did a good job. It was
I
good. It
tried.
was good.
Yeah.
You look very cozy tonight. You're really putting it off.
I was shivering earlier today.
Were you? I
Yeah,
understand.
It's brisk.
First cold day on the snowflake. Ironic considering the words, but
Right,
yes.
right.
Yeah, but I mean, you're putting it off well.
Trying to?
And I don't see a shiver in sight.